So hello guys, welcome back to devlabs.ai. So in this video we are going to solve pub sub quick start command line. So if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai. So let's start the lab. So let's first log into our credentials. So just copy a password and open a Google Console in ignore mode. So just click on next here and paste your password here and click on next here. So click on I understand. So click on agree and continue if it displays. So click on your open your cloud shell. So click on continue here. So come back to your lab. So just add the provided link in description. So get access of that link. So just come back to that link, even GitHub link here. So just copy the command here. So go come back to your lab and click on got it here and paste it here and click on enter. So click on authorize. So just wait for a few minutes guys. The lab will be easily solved guys. So guys, our lab has been successfully completed guys. So let us check our progress. Come to our lab and let us check our progress guys. Click on task number 1. So click on check my progress here. So first task has been completed. Let me move for the second task. So second task also completed guys. Let me move for another task guys. There is no more another task guys, only the first and second one. So guys, finally our lab has been completed. So if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai guys, and make sure that comment below if the command has been executed. Thank you.